how to set up giveaways on ManyChat, or how to run Instagram giveaways using ManyChat. For example, someone visits your Instagram account, sees the post that you're running the giveaway on, and also the keyword that you want them to comment. Once they have commented the keyword, they'll automatically receive a DM, and then they are going to tap on Let's Go. After selecting Let's Go, from there you can choose the win probability. So for example, if you want majority of the persons that enter the giveaway to receive whatever you're offering, you can choose that, or you can estimate it. I'll be showing you how to do that. So let's say for example, they're one of the winners. They'll automatically receive this follow-up message, then they'll tap on Claim My Prize, and they'll be redirected to the offer or the giveaway. And by the way, I'll be showing you how to set this up as a complete beginner, and I've left a link in the description that you can use to test it out yourself using ManyChat. So the first thing you want to do after tapping the link in the description, you're going to sign up using your Instagram account. After signing up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Automation. Then in the top right-hand corner, you're going to select New Automation. After selecting New Automation, I want you to just scroll down. And by the way, these are the different automations that ManyChat offers. As you can see, there are numerous options, and you can also create your own custom automation. But for this example, we're going to tap on Run a Giveaway. After doing that, you're going to tap on Set Up Template. Once you have tapped on Set Up Template, from there you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can choose the post or reel that you want to run the giveaway on. And if you go onto their Pro plan, you'll be able to add it to all posts or reels. Now let's say I were to select this one. Then we're just going to tap on Continue. After selecting Continue, you can choose the keyword that you want persons to comment. So let's say for example, the keyword that we want them to comment is giveaway. And you can add numerous keywords as you can see right here. And you can also add any keyword that you would like to exclude. Then you're just going to tap on Continue. Now you can edit the comment that they'll be receiving. So you can see their random replies that they'll receive right there, or you could add a new reply that you want them to get. Then you're just going to tap on Save. After doing that, you can see that we have set it up. Now it is time to do the other step. So the other step would be by simply tapping right here on this bar. And from there, you can add in a different condition if you want. So for example, if you like them to do something else, you can set that up by tapping on Condition. But for this example, we'll just be sending out a message. So this would be the message that you're receiving. Are you ready to see if you're a winner? You can edit the message right here. You could type out your message. And you can also edit the emoji or so on that they'll see right here. You can edit that to your liking. And by the way, if someone has entered the giveaway already, you can set it up that they receive another type of message. For example, oops, you have already entered. And from there, you could redirect into a website or so on if you would like to collect their email or any form of information. So from there, they'll automatically go into the randomizer. And the randomizer, you can tap on it. And this is where you will be able to set up the win probability. So for example, you can see 95%. If it is a case that you would like 100% to win, you can do that right there by simply selecting 100%. But let's say for example sake, I want it to be 50-50. So there's a 50% chance that you'll win and a 50% chance that you'll lose. You can select it right there by simply type 50 right there. And from here I could type in 50 also. And you can add new variations if you want by tapping on variations right there. And then I'll just select random path every time. So they have a different path, so they can either win or lose. After doing that, you're going to tap on the next option right here, and you can edit the text that they'll receive if they have won. And you can also set up a prize. So you can tap on Claim My Prize. You can edit the button text, and you can enter in your website offer right there. Then you'll tap on Done. After doing that, the other option is to edit the message that they receive if they have lost. So you can edit that message right there. And you can see we are sorry, you're not a lucky winner. You get that message also. And you can also add your website link right there. And that's it. Once you're finished setting it up, you can tap on set live and it will go live. And by the way, if you're planning to use ManyChat, I would recommend that you use the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.
And thanks for watching.